Welcome to RocketBean Studio, a Boston-based startup studio that builds multiple products and creates content around the product journey and startup topics. Hi, I'm John Dufresne, a product manager and UX designer with 7 years experience. I founded RocketBean Studio with the goal to build impactful startups and create content that educates and entertains. RocketBean Studio works like a modern startup studio, with a team of designers, developers, marketers, product leaders all collaborating using agile and lean methods to build products from the 0 to 1 phase. We launch multiple products, validate against KPIs, and then recruit executive teams to scale each validated product into a standalone company. Our goal is to build a portfolio of ventures while retaining equity and guiding each startup through their growth. What makes RocketBean so unique is that we're content-led. We don't just build products, we document the journey. From sprints and demos to podcasts and behind-the-scene moments, our team becomes part of the story as each product concept evolves into real startups. This creates a built-in marketing engine that turns viewers into early adopters while generating revenue that helps offset development costs, creating a flywheel where content fuels products and products fuels more content. This lowers customer acquisition from a typical $40 to $60 industry average down to an estimated $5 to $12 through organic distribution. Content drives discovery and audience growth, scaling from 2,000 views per video in our first year to over 200,000 by year 3, reaching millions of people annually. This brings in an average revenue of $2 million with standard CRM metrics. RocketBean Studio has already designed 2 standout products. The first is Parlee, a civil discourse card game that turns polarized debates into fact-based empathetic conversations. Players use vetted cards with real sources to support their viewpoints and encourage more productive dialogue. Our second product is Remora, a reality dating game show app where contestants connect and chat for 1 week while the audience watches and votes for their favorite couple. The winning couple earns a first date cash prize, and the experience repeats each week and scales to every city around the world, showcasing how different cultures foster relationships. We've recruited a team of professionals to execute our strategy. Our team is made up of senior-level designers, developers, and marketing specialists. Our seed investment will fund 4 months of production, enabling our team to launch 2 beta products while documenting the journey through a reality TV-style content that captures the successes, challenges, and the momentum of building these startups. We are ready to execute. We need your investment to kickstart this incredible startup studio. Join us at the forefront of innovation with our content-led startup studio. Thank you.